when it comes to achieving that instant gloss, slickness and long-lasting protection with minimal effort, Infinity Wax Wet Gloss delivers every time. Designed for professionals and enthusiasts alike, this is the ultimate spray-on sealant for that dramatic, freshly detailed look. Wet Gloss delivers exceptional gloss and dramatic beading immediately on application. It creates a strong hydrophobic layer that repels water, dirt and road grime, helping your vehicle stay cleaner for longer. Not only does it enhance the look of your vehicle, it also provides up to 3 months of protection, making it a perfect balance between performance and convenience. Wet Gloss is perfect when you need quick protection and shine. Whether it's after a maintenance wash, before a show, or when time is limited, this spray-on rinse-off sealant delivers professional results in minutes. Though it can be diluted, Wet Gloss is a ready-to-use formula. Simply spray it onto a wet surface and then rinse it off to instantly activate gloss, slickness and hydrophobic protection. It's safe and effective on all painted exterior surfaces, glass and even wheels, making it a true all-in-one solution. The results speak for themselves. Deep gloss, enhanced clarity and aggressive water beading that gives your vehicle that freshly detailed wet look finish. Infinity Wax Wet Gloss is available in 2 sizes, a 500ml ready-to-use spray bottle, perfect for regular maintenance, and a 5-litre concentrate, ideal for enthusiasts and professional detailers. You can dilute Wet Gloss up to 1 to 5, making it exceptional value without compromising performance. For the ultimate wash and protection routine, pair Wet Gloss with Infinity Wax Incinerate Wheel Cleaner for powerful wheel decontamination, making light work of even the toughest baked-on brake dust, Infinity Wax Pure Shampoo for safe, effective cleaning, and Infinity Wax Spotless Plus Glass Cleaner for crystal clear, protected glass with its SiO2 blended formula. Infinity Wax Wet Gloss works seamlessly alongside the entire Infinity Wax range, allowing you to build a complete detailing system that delivers outstanding results every time. Infinity Wax Wet Gloss, the entire Infinity Wax range, and all of the products featured in this video are available now on mymotorworld.com.